Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So from your main area here, you can push this open and you'll find one of your charger ports. And then if you go to your center here and open it, inside you'll see an aux port, a USB port, and then another charger port. And then sometimes if you've got like an aftermarket radio installed, they'll run an extra cord off to the side or into the glove box, so it's always worth checking in here as well. See if there's another cord you can plug into. And if for some reason one of these isn't working or none of them are working, first I would check fuses. Sometimes a fuse going out could make these different areas inoperable. If that isn't the case, might need to dig around back behind the plastic to make sure there's not like a loose connection back behind here that needs reattached or replaced in some way. But otherwise, I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.